Today I'm going to teach you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you're planning a trip, mapping out client visits, or organizing any route with several stops. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where we'll begin setting up your custom map with multiple pins. Once you're on Google Maps, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the menu icon. It typically appears as three horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click on Saved. This section houses all your saved places, lists, and custom maps, making it the perfect starting point for creating a map with multiple locations. Next, you'll see several tabs at the top of the Saved section. Click on Maps. This is where all your personally created maps are stored, and it's where we'll build your new multi-location map. Now, locate and click on Open My Maps. This action will redirect you to Google's My Maps platform, which is a more advanced mapping tool designed specifically for creating custom maps with multiple pins and layers. You might need to wait a moment while the new tab loads. Once the new tab opens, you'll be in the My Maps interface. Here, click on Create a New Map. This opens up a blank canvas where you can start adding all your desired locations. After clicking to create a new map, you'll see a button that says Create. Click on it to confirm and initialize your new custom map. At this point, you're ready to start pinning your locations. Now you'll notice a search bar at the top of your map workspace. This is where you'll find each location you want to pin. Type in your first location in the search bar. Once Google Maps displays the location you're looking for, click Add to Map. This will place your first pin on the custom map you're creating. With your first location pinned, you can immediately search for another location using the same search bar. Type in your second desired location, and once it appears in the results, click Add to Map again. You'll see another pin appear on your map. You can repeat this process as many times as you need to add all your desired locations. There's no strict limit, so whether you're planning a road trip with 10 stops or mapping out 50 business locations, you can keep adding pins by searching and clicking Add to Map for each one. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom Google map with multiple pinned locations that you can save, share, or use for navigation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.